Today we are going to do a picture reading from the book My World in Pictures, and today's topic is sounds, page number 41 and 42. Okay? So kids, as I am speaking to you, I am making a sound, and that is a sound of my voice. I am knocking a pencil and it's making a sound. That is also a sound. So there are many different type of sounds which we hear in our day-to-day life. Some sounds are high sound, some are low sounds. Some are fast and some are slow sound. Some sounds are harsh which we do not like to hear. For example, traffic horns. We do not like to hear traffic sounds, yes? Yes. And there are some sounds that are musical and which are very pleasant to hear. So let's see the picture reading of the topic sounds. Yes, we can see a girl here and she's holding a mic in her hands. She's holding a mic and she is singing. She is singing. And see this boy? He is holding a musical instrument and it is called tambourine. It is called tambourine. See, we have one more tambourine here. Yes, this is a tambourine. And here we can see a girl. She is playing with guitar. She is playing guitar. This is a guitar. Here there is another guitar on the wall. Yes, and this boy, see how happy he is. He is holding maracas. He is holding maracas in his hands. These are maracas. And here, this is a trumpet. This is a trumpet. This is also a musical instrument. And here, we can see this boy. He is playing drums. These are drums. He is playing drums. And this girl, she is holding bells. She is holding bells in her hands. And she is ringing bells. And see this boy, what he is doing? He is playing tabla. This is tabla. This is tabla. He is playing tabla. And this musical instrument, the girl she is playing, this is called harmonium. This is called harmonium. Yes. And here we can see these are musical notes. These are musical notes. So we can see in this picture all kids are singing and playing musical instruments and they are enjoying it very much. So this is all about the picture reading. Dear parents, please help your kids to revise this picture reading at home. Thank you. Take care.